Everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to do your stapling using your machine without using a stapler. It's quite simple, but not every machine does this. So this HP LaserJet Pro 500, it does what they call stapling. It does stapling. It has staple built-in staple. So simple thing to do is, you can see the papers. I stapled this side already. Its staplers are very small. You can see I did staple here, so this side is there's no stapling. So what you do, you hold your page here nicely like this. So you put in here, you're gonna hear it's gonna make some noise. You put it up, you can push it. You can see it's done. You can see now. You can see that we have two sides stapled. So now I'm going to staple this and this to extra demonstrate how the machine works. Okay. Do that. You put it up, put up like this. You push it in. It must sense the paper. Okay, it did. Done. You can see. I hope you can see here. So now we remain with one side here, of which also I'm gonna do for you. You can see how it is. So I've gotta get in here. Okay. Okay. Make sure it senses. Yes. Well, did you know that now this machine has staples? So you can see now we have four sides, of which each side has this 1, 2, 3. Wonder if you can see this here. 4, but they're a little bit tiny than the normal staplers. So I don't think you need to staple more than 20 pages or 10 pages. I think 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they are right. Yeah, the machine is pretty good. I think it can give you something like 40 pages per minute. It's cartridge, you put it here. We're just gonna take out this cartridge, put it here. Okay, it has two trays. It has this tray 1. It has also tray 2. Tray 2 is this one. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, let me see. Go here. Okay, what do we have? It has a feeder. When you put in a copy like this, it lights. You get me? So when you're making copy, also it has a USB stick in case you want to scan, do all those things. It has a light here. You can see when it has to, you can see this light when you have to print copies, it's gonna light for you here. You can do this extender also here. Good. Yeah, it's a very good machine, cheap to maintain, black and white machine. You can, to amazement, this machine can go to the internet, but you connect it using a LAN cable. You don't use Wi-Fi. That's the difference of what you might be looking for. Well, that's it, guys, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Yeah, that's it about the machine. Yeah. Well, another point, the good thing about HPs, you can use a Linux system. Like me, I'm using Linux. You can use Kali, Ubuntu, and all that. But other machines, to scan, yes, Ubuntu can print on what other using other machines, like, you know, it can print using this Ryko, it's fine. You can print using this, but if it comes to scan, all I know, based on my knowledge, you can scan using Ubuntu on HP, but on these ones, maybe you can do scan to folder, but all I know is something which is a little bit challenging to do. So that's why I like HP. So I've never seen a small machine which is not HP which does staple. This one, it does staple. But anyway, I don't know if I can teach people this. You see, this is how you open this stapling machine. So, but also to feed it, I'm not pretty sure how to feed this, how to put in the machine, the stapling, whatever. But I think when you press here and pull it out, you can be able to feed it in, because it shows some signs here. But the video was intended to show you guys how to staple using this. So this is the tool they put here, you get me? So I really appreciate that you watch the video, but if you want to do more how to put in these staples, but the issue is also the staples which goes in here, they are not as normal as you think. They are a little bit tiny and shorter, as you can see here. I wonder if you can see that. Can you guys see this? It passes through the letters. Okay, let me get you this. You can see how tiny it is. It's not thick. But anyway, that's it. So maybe you can wonder why you don't you can't maybe staple when you put it. Maybe the staples are not in, but there should be some, because a lot of people, majority of people, they don't know how to use this. So you can find the machine, ever since it was bought, no one has ever attempted to do what? To put staple, to staple something. Here they show a sign, but it's not that clear. Like, I think the sign was supposed to be put here on this side to show that this can staple, and also they write something. But giving this sign only, there are gonna be less people who knows how to do this stapling thing. Yeah, guys, I hope this helps. I'm gonna conclude the video. We've seen how to do this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, or like.